Hi, this is a short tutorial on how to enter to today's activities of March 26th. As you see on my screen, you are already in the virtual classroom of mathematics, Plan de Continuidad Académica. You go to today's class, and under it says click here to read your activities for today. If you click there, you're going to find very explicit the activities that we're going to do today, okay? Today is going to be a very cool class. I hope you can enjoy it. The idea is that you have or you need a partner to work with. It could be your mother, your sisters, brothers, or any person that is watching you. So please keep that in mind. For today, you need some materials. You're gonna need bread, slices of bread, if you have at home, and you're gonna need chocorramos if you have at home. If you don't have, you can use ponque gala or you can use only the slices of bread, okay? So the first activity, you're gonna go to Math Trainer. You click there on that link, and this is a very cool page because it gives you operations you have to answer super fast. So you click on start, and the idea is that you answer this as quickly as possible. 4 plus 2, you already know that answer, and it goes really fast. So you have to come up with the answers very fast. At the end of the exercise, you're gonna see that it shows you how was your speed answering those questions and how many answers did you do and which was like your level of performance, okay? After that, you're gonna go back here on this arrow, where on your computers, and it is going to bring you back to the activities that are set for today. Please read this part because you need it. It is very important to keep your materials and everything ready. And after you have followed this or gone through this reading, you're gonna click here to begin. It is going to take you to a form somewhere else. And here I am going to explain step by step which are the activities that you have to do. So here, please, you have to choose your class. Then you have to write your number of the list, your complete name. Okay, so let's imagine I am in 2A and I write my name. And sorry, this is number of the list. I'm gonna write 0 because I don't have any number. And my name, complete name, okay? Then up from number 4 on are step by step all the activities that you're gonna do today. It is going to be a little bit of a long class, but it is going to be a very fun one and a very enlightening one, okay? The objective of today's class is to understand how to compare fractions and to deduce some important rules that you can keep in mind when comparing fractions, okay? So you begin in number 4 again, and you have to read here, answer the question, read here, and answer the question. Every step has an answer. You have to write that answer, okay? Because I'm gonna keep that report, and this activity is going to be graded, okay? So you go through all of it. Here, the idea of the stars is that you show me how well you have progressed along the whole activity, and see that every step that you have to answer something, okay? And I want to see all of those answers, please. And at the end, when you finished everything, you click in enviar or submit or send, and I'm going to keep that information, okay? After you finish here, you go back. You have to go back with this arrow, okay? So you come back to the main page where the activities are, because here you have like an active pause of some things you have to do before the class is over. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. It is designed for you to be very enjoyable and very easy to do. Remember, you need somebody with you. Okay, I love you. Any questions, you get me in the chat. Bye-bye.